in Jamaica, they get from bad to worse. Jamaica people, we tell the fuck we need to take back the country for the hooligan them. Too much murder, we tell too much blood and shit. You think the politicians them are really the people them that cause all of this in Jamaica and the society?
No, but it started there. And now it get out of hand. In order to clear up this thing, you have to start from the head. Even in school, good behavior of children started from home. And if the home is in discipline, teacher have problem with the child. So if the head is unruly, you can't get the tail to do what you want them to do. First of all, you have good cop, you have bad cop. So sometimes a man even would make a report. He's afraid if I don't know what kind of cop I'm reporting to. So, you see, it's a doubt in all areas. Because you may say something here, and when you check it out, it don't stay here, gone way over there.
Oh.
So when it reach over there, you find yourself in problem.
What can us do to merge that relationship with police and community?
First started from training. The type of training that they give them, and the oath that they take, and to live up to their expectation. So if they don't live up to their expectation, then here goes a problem.
True.
Make sure say you subscribe.